Yo, 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 what's going on? How you doing, guys and girls? Hope you all enjoyed your weekend. Obviously, there was no trade from me yesterday. There was no live stream, so yes, back fresh for the week today. Yeah, a bit of a long weekend, which is quite nice. Didn't really do too much, just yeah, chilled out and embraced it, to be honest. How you doing, Leo? Nice to see you, mate. Good weekend. Day one trade, how you doing, mate? Legion and bearish for the first 30 minutes. Oh yeah, okay. I'm a bit unsure. I think I'm leaning towards bullish, but yeah, possibly first 30 minutes might be a pullback. Good. I was gonna say, bit of a slow morning in the London session. Didn't have much of a move, but it was actually 150 points. It's just Asia had such a big move to the downside. It's just dwarfed the London session. 384 points down in the Asia session. How you doing, Lewis, mate? Are you back now from Norway? You enjoy your time off? Yes, back and ready. That's what I like to hear. Just sorting the poll out for everyone. Let me know what you're thinking for the session. I think I'm leaning towards bullish. Managed a nice 200 day yesterday. Happy days. Not bad for the holiday. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? Missed both my setups today. Annoying as 50 plus point moves, but that's life. Yes, that's life, innit? Good thing is you're not trying to chase it. That's when it goes bad. Probably because of news releasing late this week. Yeah, you reckon? Quite often is choppy on Tuesday, isn't it? What even news is there? So there's no news to really worry about today. We had CPI in Canada. I haven't even seen that yet. Oh, still quite high there, isn't it? Let's have a look at the rest of the week. Yeah, nothing really going on Wednesday. Trump, the main man himself, speaking on Thursday. Unemployment claims on Thursday as well. And PMI at the end of the week. Okay. I'm doing it on the short bias. Nothing wrong with that though, mate. You've got to go with what you believe. 75% long so far, 12% short, 12% choppy. I think market can drop on the opening or shortly after, but overall, it's probably an update. Always prepared for the change of price. Yeah, I think that's what I'm prepared for. I'm feeling like it's going to be an update, but yeah, I'm definitely open to the idea of it pulling back first. Right, market's open. Let's see. Ward, how you doing, man? Nice to see you. You have a good weekend? Hello, Sammy. How you doing, mate? All good, mate. Cheers. Happy days. There you go. There's that pullback. So I'm looking forward to hopefully a nice green week. Just about ended the week green last week. 119 up. Yes, it's been not an amazing month so far. So yeah, hopefully we can turn it around the last couple of weeks. How many weeks left of the year is there? Oh, so we've got two full weeks left. Okay. It's a long month this month, isn't it? Why the two charts, both 15-minute and 1 minute? I prefer to have the 15-minute up, just for my sort of bias, and then I execute on the 1 minute. Yeah, I definitely think we could be longer from here, I think. But nothing too hectic really happened yesterday, did it? Obviously, the Asia session had a bit of a drop, but with Trump, I mean, the markets didn't go too crazy or anything. Which was good. That's sort of why I wanted to avoid the morning, just because I thought it might be a bit volatile. Still had a 200-point move up, to be fair. So one trading green day for me, only $70, but those wicks are dangerous at the moment. Ah, $70 is $70, mate. $70 more than you had earlier. No, yesterday was okay, low volume. Yeah, I thought I'd stay away just to play it safe, but yeah, when nothing too scary happened. Nothing much really going on at the minute. That's only a 30-point range. Right, let's get this poll ended. 66% long, 16% short, 16% choppy. Like I always say, someone would love to be green $70. Someone somewhere is blown and hit. Yeah, Yeah, it's a really good way of thinking about it because yeah, someone somewhere's having a really really crap day. Short till 21,600. Okay, that's quite a drop. Hmm. I don't know if we'll unpull back that much. Are you in a trade or is that just your bias? Green 70 today. Might lock my account now because target is 60 day. Yeah, lock it, mate. If that's your target hit, lock it and enjoy the rest of your day. If you've got a target, you've set that for a reason. So yeah, stick to it. You don't like CFD prop firms? I've never, but even though there was CFD prop firms, to be honest, never been on one. Wouldn't even know what ones there are. Bias. Oh, God, yeah. You've told me about 3 times now that you don't trade. Trade in my head. I'll remember maybe after the 5th time you tell me. See a pullback at some point near down 640s, okay? You're going short on me. We're getting that pullback. Nature, how you doing, mate? Nice weekend? Well, we just swept the levels. See if it carries on. We're at 640. Legion reckon 600. Yeah, it was more than I was expecting, to be fair. I was thinking more around the sort of 680 level. Do us a favour, guys, and just hit that like button as you're coming in. It helps me out massively. Yeah, I'm not going to be making any decisions until this 15-minute candle closes. Still got 5 minutes before I'm thinking about it. Working on Topstep XFA, terrible. Have you found of you? I don't it's been ages since I've really been on any other platforms, so it's difficult to get a comparison. Get trading view up. I would have thought trading view would be the same. I mean, it looks fairly similar on TradingView, but yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that was the same because obviously they pull their charts from TradingView, don't they? Got me out for 200 loss and the wick flagged on the next candle. Oh, okay. I have had it before where I get what you mean. The candle be sort of open, but then as it's closing, it suddenly wicks up both ends. You know what I mean? If that's what you mean, yes, definitely does do that. And it is irritating. Right, we're at that 600 level that Legion reckons. So Han, how you doing, mate? Nice to see you. Compared to the proper stock brokers, these are bad. Okay. Become as well, just back testing mainly. Yes, pretty much what I did on my weekend job. Only where I'm working by myself. I've got a couple of hours where I've actually got to do something, and then I get away with just sitting in the shed for about 2-3 hours. And I bring my laptop in and back test. Should be working, but no one's there to tell me otherwise. So or refine the model when you get a chance. That's it, mate. That's it. There's always something to do. The man wasn't able to join for a few days. Would you mind sharing your calendar sum up to speed? Yeah, sure, pal. Wasn't a horrendous week. You see that? Yeah. 3 winners, 1 loser, obviously, but they're only small wins. So ended the week 119 up overall 3 accounts. So basically a break-even week, but considering how the week before was, I'm pretty happy with that. It was nice to get a few wins in just to boost my confidence a bit up again. And yeah, I'm hoping as the month goes on, the it gets a bit better for me. But yeah, January's not been ideal for me. Reason I was short bias is the huge candle on the left of the 15-minute approach structure became bearish. My strategy requires a candle. Look out structure to get taken out like it did now. Oh, okay. Yes, I see what you mean. Right, 15 seconds till this candle closes on the 15-minute, and then I'll see if we can get a short in. Flip and bias. Forgot about that loss, but this fill today is awful. Yes, it's a bit annoying when the fills are crap. I don't find it's a problem too often, but yeah, when it is, it's irritating. Especially if you're catching small moves that don't give you a lot of wiggle room, does it? Alright, so if we get pulled back to the EMA, and I'll think about it. I've been having a bit of a butcher's at volume profile over the weekend, and been practice trading the London session today and yesterday, and it's yeah, been going alright. I think from looking at the London session, the New York AM, I think I'm going to prefer it on the I mean, there's a bit of a delay in there. Or is it just my end? 2 seconds, guys. I don't worry, I'd skip back on the video. Thought there was a massive delay. Yes, looking at the London session and the New York AM session, I feel like I'm going to prefer the the London session. Doing the volume profile. I just seem to get on with it a bit better. Find it a bit easier. Not loving the idea of shortening it, to be honest. Doesn't look like I'd get filled anyway. Almost there, we have to need to fix the problem. Your losses are bigger than your take profits. I want to see you make it. Yeah, I mean, normally my win rate runs about 70%, so that's not really an issue. But I get your point. Obviously, if you're running a low win rate, then like I have been in January, then it doesn't end well. But yes, normally I run at about 70%. So the small wins aren't an issue, because then I'll have a runner that plays out sort of once or twice a week, maybe. Yeah, I definitely want to pick up something else that is a bit more flexible, I suppose. You're trying something new. Yeah, I'm still doing this, but I just want something else up my sleeve. And yeah, I've been having a dabble in volume profile. And yeah, I was on the practice account this morning in London. Yeah, 900 up. Obviously, it's 150k accounts. I was risking 600 per trade. I had two winners, but one I cut off early because I was being a knob, basically being greedy. But then tried my stop loss too high, so. I look for longs, just a retracement. Longs as I played today, if you look at 15 minutes. Yeah, I wasn't feeling great about shorting there, to be honest. But my setup didn't play it anyway, so not an issue. BB's target, London lows. Yes, I mean, if we were going short, that would be my target. I think that's... I've written it down on the bottom row, I think. Money print, VWAP, short, scalp. ES pushing high, okay. Yeah, so I'm not rushing into anything just yet. you mind showing your new strategy maybe at the end of the stream? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do like a standalone video documenting the whole process of me sort of learning it, back testing it, practice trading it, and then if I'm happy with it, I'm gonna pick up a new combine, I think, and try and pass it. I thought it'd be quite a cool standalone video, maybe like a 20-minute video or something about the whole process you can watch in one go. Yeah, how we doing? Yeah, nothing's going on yet, mate, for me. I was considering a short when we retraced to the EMA, but my setup didn't play it anyway, but I wasn't loving the look of it, to be honest. Didn't feel great about it. But yeah, it didn't play out for me, so not an issue. Looking on trading the fib retracement, okay. No, you probably caught the bottom, didn't you? Yes, very bottom. Yeah, you're good for your fibs. Oh, big push down. Coming back for you, Leo. You got a rejection again. Got the VWAP up, let's get it up. There you go, this is London low taken by the looks of it. Take it high, my target. Yes, that was my initial thoughts, but we're looking very heavy at the minute. Yeah, this could just be a sweep of the London. Before the end of the past month. Great job, keep it up. Cheers, pal. Cheers for stopping by. I'm run from 600. Nice little entry. There's a big candle, isn't there? Plus 562. Good luck to your wag. Hope it plays out for you, mate. Read about a trend line, yeah. Draw an arrow from the lows. Both 1:30 AM and 7 AM. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you mean, Lewis. Never liked the being a trend line trader. When I first started, I think that's what I was doing, but yeah, never got on with it. Just very contextual, I found, isn't it? Always works better in hindsight, I find. He's very not horizontal. Yeah. No, that's what you mean. Up here, break retest, and then you said what was it? 1:30 AM. Where am I? Yeah. Yeah, now he's taking the London low. I'm not really sure what I'm wanting to do. I don't really want to be short on this, I don't think. Don't love getting into a trade after we've taken a level. Might possibly do it just for just a quick one, but can't see it running out. Yeah, that's probably why I never had any luck with it, Lewis. I don't think I was using volume at the time. I'll go short if I can get there in time. 23, 2 contract. I have to go in for a limit order. Missed it. I'm finding myself getting distracted by the volume profile strategy I'm doing on the London session. I'm talking myself out of my normal trade, which I was not saying I wanted to do, so I'd rather take it, and then if it's a loss, it's a loss. Then I've still played out my my normal strategy. Do you know what I mean? I didn't want to get into a habit of trying to talk myself out of it. There's a lot of buy interest in this region. If not, it would have broken below. Yeah. Who's going low? Not moving fast, probably. No, probably not. Alright, let's take profit here. Stop loss at break even. Small win. Happy days, right. Not sure on my runner because I would have been targeting the London low, and we've obviously already taken that. So yeah, I'm not really confident we're going to go much lower, to be honest. I move my take profit to the 1R. If we come back and tap that. As I've already taken my level of interest, I'm not confident we're going to get much of a run down, so just take the full 1R if we can get it. I didn't have much time to think about it. I should have made that decision prior to just taking the half off, really. Don't be a dick. Blue balls my take profit now. Very fast runner. Yeah, I'm just not confident in it having a big push down, to be honest. Wag's adding more. What were you long or short? I can't remember, Wag. Target take you high or long. There you go. The 1R. Just the 1R. You watch will absolutely dump now. Haven't had a runner play out in about a month and a half, and the one time I just go straight for a 1R will absolutely melt down the charts. Everyone go short. Yeah, I mean we may well dump, but like I said earlier, I don't love to enter after one of my sort of levels is taken, and we literally just swept London low. And normally when we sweep a level, it tends to retrace away from that level, even if it's just temporary, which would mean I'd have been stopped out of break even. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, it's right call there, because yeah, that would have been a stop out there. So yeah, would have been a small win, but I mean, it's still a small win because I've been scaling down this week and last week. But yeah, happy with that. Full 1R. Wasn't something I was overly confident about. So yeah, nice to secure the win. Bro, look, your account like I did. Profits made. Yeah, I won't touch it now. I'm quite good for that. I'm not one to talk myself in. I've learned from many mistakes. It's nice that the market showed you made the right decision. If it dropped, it would have been painful. Yeah, definitely. that's just a risk you take in it. If you do take it off early, it's you're running the risk, but then you're also running the risk of it stopping you out. Then you wish you'd made the decision. So bit happy with that. Be nice to start building the accounts back up again, because I was at a high of what, just under $3,000 when I started January. Be nice to start clawing that back towards that level. I had my 5 days at 200 plus. I'm just building my buffer now. I have a 50k2 account. Balances 2250. Oh, happy days. There's something today unlocked. It's good discipline, mate. Good discipline. Yeah, that's what I'm doing as well. Is I took a very small payout of 125 on each account. Obviously, I'm copy trading 350ks. Yeah, all in all, only 375 in payouts. And yeah, I'm just trying to build my my balance up. I haven't actually got my other 5 days yet. I'm still 1 day away. But I'm not in a rush to get it. Even if I was to get it now, I wouldn't be taking a payout yet. I'd want to get back above that $3,000 level before I'm even considering taking a payout. Wags are laughing now. Got green on his screen. Mentality I have is I'd rather be wrong with money in my pocket than right about it. Yeah. I just want to build my accounts up a bit more so I can start risking a bit more, do you know what I mean? But I don't feel comfortable risking much more until I've got a bigger account balance, you know what I mean? Take for one hit, yes, Wag, but not want to take a partial half my stop loss. Fair play. How much balance are you aiming for? Thinking of taking a payout? I'd like to go over $3,000 again. Before I take another payout, and it'll probably only be a small one. But yeah, I don't really have. I did have an end goal. What was it? I built a set up a little Google sheet with bit of a strategy for taking payouts. Where is it? Yeah, so I put here, this was my little thing I built out at the start of the year. Hang on, it's gone massive. You'll see that. So yeah, this is a sort of general idea that I had that was sort of the plan that I was hoping to stick to. Obviously, it's not working out too well at the minute because January has been a bit crap. Yeah, $6,000 would be the goal before I stop and then just start taking payouts. Anything above $6,000 basically. But yeah, my plan was to try and get $50,000 in payouts by the end of this year. And yeah, obviously that's quite when you work out how much that is a month, it's quite a tough ask. So it's probably not going to happen, but I like to dream big. What's your criteria for bias? Is it closure of the minute candle? Yeah. So at the start of the session, I was bullish. But as soon as we got that 15-minute close below the 21 EMA, my bias turned to shorts. Oh, we're dumping now. But even so, glad I am closed out because I'd have been taken out for break even. I mean, if we're going full down, I reckon this my blue level here, 422 would be my target if we're going a full send. Stop was almost hit. Yeah. Come out of nowhere, didn't it? We're around that point of control area. I always find it quite difficult taking trades off that area. A retest wouldn't be a bad shout though. I'm gonna revenge trade now. Please don't. I feel like the fact that you said it is the first step to recovery. What is it? The ownership and acknowledging that you're gonna do it. Hopefully, will stop you doing it. Lock yourself out, mate. If you're on Topstep X. If not, just close your computer. I won't be hurt that you've left early. Don't worry. Oh, you didn't even. I've just realised. I thought you'd taken some profits, but I just read your previous comment. Take profit 1 hit. Not going to take a partial. Half at my stop loss. Yeah, gutted wag. That's a hard one, isn't it? Yeah, don't do it. Not worth it. Think of tomorrow. You won't be in the right headspace to continue trading. I wouldn't have said anyway. Entity say micro is long. Oh, okay. We're obviously around the level of interest for you then, Lewis. I can't see it, to be honest. I can just see it's continuing to dump. Nasdaq's dumping and gold is pushing. Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin's been dumping as well. Little lower than I start. So looking at my other chart with the volume, I'd be considering a short. No, I'm not going to take it because I'm still learning it, but yeah, if I was trading the volume profile strategy that I've been doing, I'd be looking to short here. Like I said earlier, I don't enjoy it as much on the New York AM session. I prefer it on the London session. Yeah, I'd limit ordered him. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to do it on the practice account either because I'm just sort of focusing that on the London session. I need 4-5, but I spread it for 100 points. Okay. Cafo's been way too quiet. I know exactly what that means. Yeah. That is going to write us when he's revenge traded and still isn't a demon. Yeah. Wag. Chapo. I hope you're behaving, mate. Hopefully, he's just turned his computer off. Left the chat. Tarek is long. You know, I'm feeling a retest of the point of control, but good chance I could be wrong. I got 930 high. Yeah, you could be right, mate. We're looking strong, aren't we? That'd be nice 350 on one micro, yeah. Too busy getting a coffee. Yeah, it would have been nice. Do you use OBS to stream? Yes, I do, pal. I find it right as well. Pretty good. You thinking of starting your own thing up, Lewis? Start streaming. But yeah, you should do it, mate. I think I'd get distracted. It's not too bad, to be honest. I thought I would be, but it's not too bad. It's probably more of like performing with an audience. I mean, that can be probably the hardest thing. And once it's all set up, though, obviously I've just got the chat on the left, charts on the right, and yeah, just keep reading and switching between. Do like it from a social side and interacting, yeah. Yeah, it's good fun. I prefer streaming, I think, to just making normal videos. Believe it or not, I was absolutely crapping my pants to start streaming, but yeah, now I do it. I quite like it. Yeah, it's not really doing much at the minute. Just popping around. I don't know how everyone's day is going. Let me know how your P&L's looking today. I think it's been a reasonably decent session, so I'm hoping people have got some green days. %, so far, yes. Green, yes, Leo. Looking for a small scalp if it presents itself. To the long side still, Lewis. I'm still in my pretend short at the minute. Hypothetical short. Need to grab some profits to pay for a car charger. Yeah. They're not cheap, are they? The electric car chargers. A few grand, didn't they, I think? Can't deal with paying for petty things, yeah. And they're I see the chumps at the electric fill ups in the car parks and stuff, and just think, fuck that, you know what I mean? I'd rather not have an electric car. You can't charge at your house. It's just ball like there'll be the same people there, like for a couple of hours every single morning. Imagine getting up like 2 or 3 hours before you got to be at work to go and charge your car up. Madness. Market is trick right now, starting to show some potential reversal on the 15-minute. Yeah, I don't know. It's not revealed its hand yet, I don't think. Got quite a ton because I wanted to get Tesla Power all to run off solar, so basically free charging. Nearly fell off my chair. Lost the charging points in town. Yeah, I'm sure they're absolutely insanity. Let's see if I can. Yeah, them costs don't look pretty. This is probably just to buy the actual unit, let alone fitting and stuff. 'Electric cars are only worth it if you have a charging device in your house, and if you only use it inside the city. For travel, it's worth. In Brazil, at least, big country, lots of mountains. Yeah, yeah, it wouldn't be anything worse than getting stuck up a mountain and run out of battery. So yeah, that's me stopped out of my hypothetical trade. So I'd be back at break even now if I'd taken it. But yeah, I'm not confident with the strategy on the New York AM. Performance better on the London. 85% green. That's good. I'm happy with that. Well done, guys. Where are you putting your range from, mate? What, the volume profile range? Yeah, I have no desire to get an electric car. Maybe in 10, 20 years or something when it's a bit more mainstream, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna put it from the 9:30 open. I've been putting it from the 9:30 open to the session. I'm still looking at the levels from the overnight session, but yeah, Ward was looking to take a retest of point of control, but I can never work out the point of control trades. Sometimes I play out, sometimes I don't. Sometimes you just get sort of chopped up. I think it's probably better off as a magnet and aiming as your target. I find more success doing that than trading off of it. Hybrid cars are the best option if you can't afford it. Yeah, yeah, hybrid wouldn't be so bad because you don't charge that at all, do you? Is that right? You also put fuel in it, and it charges itself up when it can. It sort of uses a bit of both, doesn't it? Yeah, that I could get more on board with. I know we talked about as the sales in the electric is 5 or 7 years. It costs more than half the price of the car to exchange. That doesn't surprise me in the slightest. The thing that I don't like about them, I mean, I've done no research, so I could be completely wrong about this, is I'm pretty sure it's just as environmentally unfriendly to mine all the resources you need for the batteries and stuff. But then the batteries just go, what, in landfill, and it's probably not much better than diesel or petrol, do you know what I mean? But I could be completely wrong. I've done no research on that at all. Just what I sort of hear. Over Tesla, it's brilliant. Charge it once a week at home. Cost me £10 to charge it. That's good. Yeah, if you Google cobalt mining, yeah. I mean, in the future, they might end up finding a way to make them a bit more better. But yeah, I'm sure the batteries are horrendous for the environment. Say that though, my current whip is an electric scooter, so does 90 miles per hour at top speed when there's no wind resistance, and yeah, I can do about I think about 10 miles or something like that on it without needing to charge it. So I pull mine literally from open 11 PM, but if I was pulling from New York session, I would be hesitant to trade it in the first hour. Yeah, that's it. Look for them high volume shelves, and then yeah, that's what sort of puts me off trading it, because obviously being in the UK, if I was to wait the first hour after the New York Open, I'm not going to be looking to trade until like what 3:30 PM, and that's when I'm calling it a day. So I don't know if I do continue doing the volume profile, it might just be like a London session thing, which is fine. You hate or love them, personal preference comes down to, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not slating you or anything, mate. I'm just, yeah, for me personally, I don't want one. Not at the minute anyway. When you find out one celebrity airplane flight pollutes more than my whole life using gas fuel car, you realise it's all bullshit. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm skeptical on like climate change and all that anyway. But even if it is real and the environment's heating up and stuff, the general public isn't really to blame for it. Like, what needs to change is the massive corporations that pump out all sorts of crap into the atmosphere. That's what needs to change. The everyday person can't really affect change that much. Changing their lifestyle isn't going to make a slightest bit different. What we'll be better off doing is stopping mass farming and getting rid of all the cows, and that'd be a load of methane not going into the atmosphere, wouldn't it? I'm sure that's supposed to be an insane amount of gas into the environment. You buy any Trump coin? No, I didn't. Honestly, I thought it was a joke when I first saw it. And then his wife released one as well. Absolutely madness, that is. I think as long as you're going into the Trump coin with the expectation of you're getting in and out and making a quick buck and running away, I think you'll be right. But I think a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on that. And yeah, I'm pretty sure the Trump owns 80%. I think he's got 80% of the distribution, which is like major red flag in the meme coin world, isn't it? Yeah, exactly, Leo. All just money making, isn't it? Yeah. Someone I know got Bitcoin and made nearly 800 grand in a year. He's bought the odd coin in the past 8 years and he made 1.5 on release. Bad, isn't it? I mean, in the last cycle in 2021, I was just getting into crypto and was in and out of all the meme coins, and yeah, I put about 800 quid into one. I think it was called Lifeline or something like that. watched it go up to 20 grand in a matter of weeks, and then watched it go all the way back to zero. I wasn't too depressed about it because obviously it wasn't 20 grand that I've put in. I put in about 800 quid or something, and yeah, to watch it go from 20 grand to zero is fucking hard, man. It's not a mistake I'll make again. But yeah, meme coins are good fun, but yeah, you've got to go in it with the attitude of you're going to get in and out. I started to trying to get in on getting early, double my money, and just get out, whatever it was, and I was doing quite well with that. But then the ball run ended, and I stopped doing it. So yeah, that's it, Leo. As long as you're one of the first out, then you should be right. He was like one of the first ever crypto guys. He released a book. Bloody hell. Public speaking, paid off his house. Car now buys coins like once every 2-3 years to top up. Yeah, fair play. If you was in it early, you'd be laughing. To be fair, I don't know what, I can't remember when it was. I was I had Bitcoin probably in 2012, possibly. Buying some herb off the internet. I'll just leave it as that. And yeah, at one point I'd have probably had 1.5 Bitcoin. That would have been worth maybe 200 quid at the time. And I think years later, sold basically what was pocket change that I just left on there because I couldn't do anything with it for about 90 quid. 600 up for the day. What a great morning. Yes, well done, pal. Glad you're having a good day, mate. Yeah, Lewis, that's a mistake I made. I was held for a few months, and yeah, it didn't end well. Meme coins are the biggest scam on the planet. Scammers using higher volatility as an excuse to bump people off their savings. Yeah, I couldn't agree more, mate. But people are gonna do it if you agree with it or not, unfortunately. And yeah, if you're in and out, you can make some money off of it, but it's a risky game. Leo bought Bitcoin at 38k, sold it at 58, bought again at 68, and sold it at 88. Don't regret. Oh, fair play. I've done well this cycle. Obviously, I got in at the top last cycle. Lost a bit of money, didn't put in loads or anything. But yeah, made it a mission that this cycle I'd put in all I had basically. And yeah, I bought in Bitcoin and some other sort of altcoins when Bitcoin was at 25 grand, and yeah, I'm still holding. It's not amazing, life-changing money, but I'm hoping it'll be a deposit on a house. Do you know what I mean? A good deposit. Yeah, Lewis, I think that's a lot of the people that have made money from it is just luck. Some people are die hard believe in it, but I mean, it'd have been impossible to know 10 years ago what it would be at today. You can dream, but no one would have actually dreamt it would come to reality, I don't think. My brother told me back in the day if I ever heard of Bitcoin, he said they cost €10 per coin. I responded with, which lunatic buys digital money for real money? Yeah, meme coins is the only winners really are the founders. Years later, jokes on me. Yeah. NFTs are the ones that killed me. How stupid. Yeah. Yeah. No, I never jumped into the NFT world. Yeah, 4x probably more. No, I'm not quite a 4x. Where I think I only put about, I put 50% into Bitcoin and ETH, but more into ETH. And obviously altcoins just haven't done anything really this cycle. So yeah, I'm probably 2.5x. I'm still holding all of it though. I think altcoins will have their moment, won't they? Luckily, I put a decent amount into Solana, and that's done amazing, isn't it? So yeah, that's been my saving grace. The clever ones made the funky pictures. Can't demand, yeah. Yeah, the NFTs are mad. You're smart, you buy Bitcoin, nobody's talking about it, it's the right time, yeah. Yeah, so this will be the last cycle that I have anything to do with it, really. I'm tempted to leave a bit just in Bitcoin for the long game for like 20, 30 years, just in case, you know what I mean? Just in case it's a couple of mil. And it's like some revolutionary thing. But I think all Bitcoin will amount to is just a store of value, just a digital gold. I don't think it'll ever be used as a currency or anything, really. I can't see you ever doing your Asda shop in it or anything like that. But I think it would be a good store of value like gold. So yeah, I'm tempted just to leave a bit in, just for the long term. But yeah, I'm not gonna play with altcoins anything after the cycle. Done a whole load of tittle, haven't we, the last hour? To be fair, when I got my car, they said I could pay in Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean there'll definitely be there'll always be some people that'll take payment in it. I've always thought I wouldn't mind getting paid in Bitcoin. Far better than cash, you know what I mean, which is just constantly being devalued. In your life, if you get given a bar of gold, dollar, and either pesos, which currency do you spend first? I'm assuming, I have no idea, but I'm assuming that the pesos, because I don't even know, don't know what that would be like. I imagine that's probably ridiculous inflation. Then the dollar, then I'll keep the gold bar for as long as I can manage it. I mean, cash is essentially like cars, isn't it? As soon as you drive off the forecourt, it's losing value. Yeah, she spend first ones that have the least amount of value. Bitcoin would be the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, store of value. I think people are gonna want to use it like gold and buy it and hold on to it. Yeah, Leo, that would be good. Yeah, it needs to be just using Bitcoin. I think you'd be right. Using collateral. I think after this cycle, the volatility will settle down a lot more. I mean, really, it's not even that volatile compared to the stock market. I've never sort of understood why it's oh, it's so volatile. But yes, Bitcoin drops like 8%, but the Nasdaq can drop 30% or 50% sometimes. Do you know what I mean? It's not unheard of. Right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to call it a day. My belly is rumbling. Got sausage and mash for dinner. Buzzing. Nobody will be going to the supermarket and buying vegetables with Bitcoin. Probably use some type of collateralized coin, but yeah, possibly. Possibly. But yeah, take it easy, guys, if you're still trading. I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day, your evening. Yeah, take it easy. I'll see you later. Cheers for hanging out, and yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.